Okay, so the first thing that I had to do for my website was I had to create the little header and title of Millbrook Theater Arts. And so the way that I went about doing this is I went into Photoshop and I just typed in what I wanted to say. So in this case, I typed in Millbrook Theater Arts and I picked the font. And for the font that I chose Ayuthia, and I made the words as large as I could so the words weren't too skinny. And then since I did want to put these words on top of a picture of my choosing, I got rid of the background to create a bunch of empty space so I could easily lay it on top of any image that I ended up going with. And then additionally, to make sure that the words did stand out and that they were easily differentiable from the picture, I added a shadow to all of them. So you can see that all of them do have a little gray shadow going on, and that shows in the picture as well. So I think that it looks a lot better than it did without it. The next thing that I did is if you go to one of my pages, this is on all the pages, I just added a little button to take me back to the home page. But I did want to change the color up because I thought it would help create like a better theme and look if they were all like unique. And so for this one, for example, I chose to make it yellow. And I did this by going into the themes and I hit the edit HTML/CSS. And I just, if you type in, um, so right here you'll see where the buttons are. And I was able to adjust the color as shown. Right here, this is the code for yellow, hashtag FFFF00. And so that's how I made the background yellow. And then another thing that I added was when I hover over the button, and you can see how it kind of goes into a golden type color, and that's right here. I made it, that's the code for a pale gold color, the EE8AA. And then additionally, I also made the words, when I hover over them, they go into a darker gray instead of black, so it kind of looks like there's a shadow on it. And that's the A9, A9, A9. And then these buttons are linked back to the home page. And this is my actual final product of the website. And you can see the buttons, they do take you back to the home page. They are completely functional. And that is what I did for my website.